If I gave you 1.4 million to buy any car, what would you buy? If I was you, I would get the BMW M340i. It's like an RS3 but better. Audi fans, I'm sorry to tell you this. Today we talk about everything you need to know about this beast. The interior, exterior, engine, reliability, cost of ownership and more. Let's start with finances. A brand new BMW M340i will cost you around 1,377,000 and some change. That's pretty much with no options included. If you finance the car over 72 months with zero down payment at an interest rate of 10.5%, your monthly installment comes up to 27,000 rands. Insurance will cost you around 3,000. The fuel tank is 59 liters, so assuming you drive the car often, the price to fill up with 2 full tanks is around 3,000. The car comes with a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer motor plan, whichever comes first. So for now, no need to worry about maintenance. Adding everything together, you get a monthly cost of ownership of around 33,000 rands. Moving on to the star of this show, which is the engine, which is the legendary 3-liter inline-six B58 motor that puts out 282 kilowatts and 500 Newton meters of torque. It uses the 8-speed ZF Auto with all-wheel drive. 0 to 100 km is done in a blistering 4.4 seconds, and the top speed is electronically limited to 250 km per hour. This engine is arguably one of BMW's most robust engines, with many owners reporting reliability similar to a Honda Civic. Plus, with one simple email, you can easily increase the power to around 330 kilowatts. The outside of the M340i is just as impressive as the engine. At the front you get M-specific bumper, larger air intakes, an aggressive lower splitter, adaptive LED headlights, and BMW's laser light option. On the side you get a sculptured side skirt, wider rear stands, and pronounced shoulder lines. The rear is pretty similar to the older brother of the M340. You get an integrated lip spoiler, aggressive diffuser, dual exhaust outlets, both the front and the rear of the M340i comes with the option of either a 18-inch or 19-inch alloy wheels. And this is how the interior looks, and honestly, it's just about the same as any other BMW out there today. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah. The seats are electronically adjusted, plus you get various leather sneaked in all throughout the interior, and this beautiful flat screen TV on the dash with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as voice control. Common problems for this car include coolant leaks from hoses and connectors in the engine. This is because BMW makes these out of plastic. Also, at high mileages, the water pump can have issues, the oil filtering house can leak, and that's pretty much it honestly. This engine is really reliable, so there you have it, everything you need to know about the BMW M340i.